Good morning, children. Today I am going to take about the uh, different types of boats. How much travel each type of boat, isn't it? Okay. Then here you already learned about different types of boats, isn't it? Long tail boat, log boat, machine boat, motor boat, isn't it? And this in this log boat can't go far, and other types of boats, long tail boat, motor boat, and machine boat. These types of boats can travel more, travel far, and how can they catch fishes? In if they go in far away, so they can catch more fishes by these boats, long tail boat, machine boat, and motor boat. Okay, and so we can calculate how much fish they can catch in each trip. Okay, look here children, one table is already given there. In that table, type of boats, which are the type of boats, and catch a fish in one trip, how much kilogram fish catch in one trip, and what is the speed of each boat in 1 hour. That already given in the table. That is in the table. What are the, which are the type boats? Log boat catch fish 20 kilogram fish in one trip, and the speed of that log boat is 4 kilometer per hour. And the long tail boat, when a long tail boat, that is 600 kilogram fish catch in one trip, and 12 kilometer per hour, that is the speed of that long tail boat. And the motor boat catch fishes in 800 kilogram in one trip, and the speed of that boat is 20 kilometer per hour. And what about this machine boat, children? Machine boat means 6,000 kilogram fish they brought in one trip, and the speed of that boat is 22 kilometer in 1 hour. And here the question is about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. The question about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Each boat bring in one trip, that already given here. This log boat bring in 20 kilogram in one trip. So the question is how much fish in bring in 7 trips. Then what you can do, children? Is it multiplication or division? In 7 trips, the 20 kilogram fish in one trip, that is by log boat, and how much kilogram fish brought in 7 trips means you want to multiply that, isn't it? Look here, the question is log boat, the boat log boat, that is 20 kilogram in one trip, 20 kilogram in one trip, and speed of that boat is 4 kilometer per hour, 4 kilometer per hour, that is the speed. And this one is catch fish, how much kilogram catch fish, and this one is speed, and this one is type of boats. Okay, this one is, yes, type of boats, how much kilogram fish catches, and what is the speed of the boat. And here log boat bringing 20 kilogram fish in one trip, and the speed of that boat is 4 kilometer per hour. And next one, long tail boat. Long tail boat, that is 600 kilogram. Long tail boat 600 kilogram in one trip. That's 600 kilogram in one trip, and speed of that boat is 12 kilometer per hour. 12 kilometer per hour. And next is motor boat. Motor boat means that motor boat brings 800 kilogram fish in 1 hour and one trip, and 20 kilometer travel in 1 hour. And one more boat, that is motor boat, machine boat. Machine boat, that is catch fish in one trip, that is 6,000 kilogram, and the speed of that boat is 22 kilometer. Look at children, here That is the details of the catching fish. This is the longboat bring 20 kilogram fish in one trip, but this long tail boat bring in 600 kilogram in one trip, and motor boat is 800 kilogram in one trip, and machine boat that bringing 6000 kilogram in one trip. And speed of that boat is already given the, and longboat speed is 4 km per hour, and long tail boat that is 12 km per hour, and motor boat that is 20 km, and 22 km that is machine boat. And the question is, how much fish bring? Question is, how much kilogram fish brought in 7 trips. 7 trips. In 7 trips, how much kilogram fish brought in 7 trips? Then first logboat means that is in one trip that brought 20 kilogram, isn't it? 20 kilogram. So the, and how is writing? Before that you want to put a column and you have to write the statement. What are the statements? The fish brought in one trip by logboat. You can write it here, logboat. Write in the logboat. And fish brought in one trip. Brought in one trip, that is 20 kilogram. 20 kilogram. In 7 trip is equal to, in 7 trip that is 20 into, in 1 hour 20 kilogram. So in 7 in 1 trip, that is in 1 trip that is 20 kilogram. So in 7 trip means 20 into 7. So 140 kilogram. This logboat bringing 140 kilogram fish in 7 trips. 20 kilogram in 1 trip. So in 7 trip means 20 into 7 kilogram. So 140 kilogram. So second, how much kilogram fish brought by long tail boat? How much kilogram fish brought by long tail boat? The fish brought in one trip. In one trip, fish that you want to write it, fish brought in one trip by long tail boat. In one trip by long tail boat. By long tail boat or long tail boat brought fish in one trip is equal to, how much that is? 600 kilogram, isn't it? 600 kilogram in 7 trip is equal to, 600 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42 and 2 zeros 4200. Or if you don't know, you know, I think you know, you already learned how is doing this one. 600 that is 2 zeros, that 2 zeros you can put it first, and 6 sevens are 42. Or otherwise if you don't know, then you can do it here. Okay, you can make use of this working column. Okay. Then third question, in that third motor boat, how much kilogram fish brought by motor boat in 7 trip? That is motor boat, you can write it here, motor boat. And in one trip is equal to 800 kilogram. In 7 trip is equal to 800 into 7. 800 into 7, you can put these two zeros first. 8 sevens are 56. 5600 kilogram. Okay. And next up, what is next up? Next that is machine boat. Machine boat means that you can write it, machine boat. And in one trip is equal to, one trip that is 6000 kilogram, isn't it? Machine boat that bringing more fish, isn't it? 6000 kilogram. In 7 trip is equal to 6000 into 7. So you can put these 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 6 sevens are 42. Then 42,000 kilogram fish they brought in 7 trips. 42,000 kilogram fish they brought in 7 trips. Okay, did you understand? Then one more question, two more questions in that. What is that? B. The question B, about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? About how far a motor boat go in 6 hours. In 1 hour, that motor boat that going in 20 kilometer. In 1 hour, the speed of this motor boat is 20 kilometer in 1 hour. Then how much or how far the motor boat go in 6 hours? In 1 hour, then you can write it in 1 hour motor boat travel. In 1 hour, motor boat going 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer. So in 6 hour, motor boat going 20 into 6 hours, that is 120 kilometer. 6 into 2, 12, 120 kilometer. Okay. Then third question, one more question in that. Third question, if a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer, how long will it take? Third question, if a long tail boat has to travel, listen here, if a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer, how long will it take? How long will it take? How long will it take? Yes, if a long boat has to travel, if the long boat has to travel 60 kilometer, then how long will it take? Then how much time taken by the long tail boat for traveling 60 kilometer? How many time or how much time taken by the long tail boat for traveling 60 kilometer? So what is the speed of that long tail boat? Speed of long tail boat is 12 kilometer in 1 hour. Speed of long tail boat in 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 12 kilometer. Yes, 12 kilometer. Then how much time taken to travel 60 kilometer? Then time taken for 60 kilometer is equal to time taken to travel 60 kilometer is equal to 60 divided by 12, that is 5 hours. Time taken to travel 60 kilometers, 60 divided by 12 hours. 12 hours. So 60 divided by 12. 12 how many times goes in 60? 5 times, isn't it? 5 12s are 60. So 5 hours time will it take. 5 hours time will it take for traveling 60 kilometer. Okay. Yes. Then how to study this, and I will give you homework. The same table you can, question I will give, the table is the same table. From that table you can find out the answers. The question is yes, how much fish bring in 9 trays? How much fish bring in? Fish bring in 9 trips. Same question, children. And instead of 7 trips, you want to find out, 9 trips. So you already that found, isn't it? That find out 7 trips you already got it, isn't it? Then you want to find out how many how much fish bring in 9 trips by each boat. Long tail boat, motor boat and machine boat. Each one how many fish they brought in 9 trips. Same question. Instead of 7 that is 9. And if a motor boat has to travel, second question. If a motor boat has to travel, if a motor boat has to travel 80 kilometer, 80 kilometer, how much time taken? How much? 80 kilometer, then how long will it take? How long will it take? How long will it take? That means how much time taken? How much time taken to travel 80 kilometer? That two questions that you have to write in, or that you have to do it in your assignment time, children. Okay. And next homework 894, third one. 894 divided by 6 and 791 divided by 7. Okay. Okay, children. Bye. Okay, everyone do it. Okay.